Hello and welcome in the next video. In this one, we will be going over the tool called Keyword Explorer. This tool is great for finding new and comparing keywords you can later use in your page and in your blog post and articles. And we will start with searching for keyword WordPress. And here you can see you can also choose from which location you want to target. So right here I'll stay with the United States, and you can hit analyze, and it will show you the it should show you the information for this specific search term. So you can see that the difficulty is quite high. You can also see the cost per click if you would want to run an ads for this keyword, and you can also see the competition that's there, as well as monthly searches approximate. And the good thing is that you can also see the Google Trends here, so you can see how the WordPress is sought for in the time over the time in the past 12 months. And you can also head here where you have suggestions. So if you edit here a WordPress, so it'll suggest me a similar keywords I can use on my website if I would want to target WordPress. Okay, there we go. As you can see here, you can keyword WordPress blog, which has a different volume, different cost per click, competition, etc. And you can also, after you see all of this, you can also see here the keyword difficulty, so how difficult it is to actually rank on this keyword, and you can also compare it to your other search terms used before. You also have the option to either have related questions and all the different things you can try and use to come up with the new keywords. If I go back to the overview, I can now see the comparison between WordPress blog and WordPress. Again, you can see the monthly volume, difficulty, cost per click, competition, etc. And here you can see the Google Trends for both of these items. So you have you can see how it's different over time. Okay, that's pretty much it for this tool. Feel free to play with it, to click around and find some interesting keywords that will help you to get more organic views for your blog post and page. Okay, the next tool we'll be going over in the next video will be a SEO editor, which is a tool that will help you write an article using a keyword, so you can write optimized articles that will rank higher than if you would write them just by your own. Yeah, so see you in the next video.